how to fix can't follow on Instagram. It's an easy process, so let's start. So hello everybody, hit the subscribe button, that's helped me, so thank you. So when you go to anywhere, and if you want to just follow someone, so just when you come to the page, and when you click to any following options and the following is not working, that means you have any problem with your Instagram account. So just remove someone, and then just shake your device, and then you can see report a problem is showing there. So just click to the report a problem, and then just click to the don't include, and then just type I can't follow anyone, and then click to the send options. After that your problems will be solved. So that's the process I can fix can't follow on Instagram problem. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. If you have any problem, then don't forget to ask below.